Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Good morning. It's 5:15 and I'm off to a gym class. This is the fit. T-shirt is from Nike. My tights are from Target and my shoes are Nike. Yeah. It is 5:30 and I just don't want to. We're going to the gym. I haven't been in a very, very long time.
It's been a week, Georgia.
It feels like so long. I know that when I go out there, it's gonna feel like my body, it's gonna feel so bad. I know it. I just ate so much food in that time off. Pray for me. What's up, YouTube?
Ew.
We're at the gym. We're gonna do a Fit 45 class. Okay.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just see those.
I just want chocolate so bad.
You so precious when you smile.
Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste no time. Feels like forever, even if forever's tonight. Just lay with me, waste this night away with me. You could, girl, anything I could do just to make you feel right. Oh, it's literally 6:30. We're like screaming. And you like me, cause I'm gifted. Dolce and a Gabbana. White girl, we can live that life. There we are. Smoking on rose cigars. Back from the gym, showered, and now I'm gonna go and make some breakfast. I'm so hungry. So it's currently 9:15 and I've just been sitting on the beanbag in the laundry room editing all morning. I'm almost done though, so it's exciting. Today is my day off, which is very exciting. And Rachel also has a day off, so once we're both ready, we're gonna head down to a shopping center and do some shopping. Yeah. So this is my outfit. You know when you find an outfit and you love it and you just want to wear it all day every day? That's this outfit. I've worn this so many times already and I bought it like last week or the week before. But this t-shirt is actually just from the men's section and I just cut it basically in half because it was so huge, and I just cuffed the sleeves. And then these stripy shorts are from Target. And then I just have my Connie's on because what other shoes do I wear? Where's your outfit from?
Princess Polly? Kmart?
Yes.
And Vans.
Yeah. Well, my hair looks so white. I look so pale next to you and I have a tan on. What do you mean? No. And we're going to take an Instagram photo on the Rachel's. We're going to take an Instagram photo on the way or sometime today as well. For this one, just the usual daily grind. You know how it is.
What's up, YouTube? I just got some fan mail. I'm just kidding.
Rachel's just giving me some content. We just went to a PO box and she got some letters.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Chicago.
Thank you so much, Josie. Oh my gosh, from a real winter place.
Yeah, wow.
We're in summer here. It's kind of bulky. Pens. Oh, I love pens.
Wow.
Merry everything and happy always. Oh, look. Whoa. Thank you so much, Sydney. And then we have a package here from Sophie. What the heck? George, is this for you? Everyone recommends that. Have you ever heard of it?
I thought it was a Bible, and at the end she was like, we'd really recommend this book. And I was like, me too. Oh my gosh.
That's so sweet.
Thank you. I was like not ready for that. Oh my gosh. Pens too.
Oh, it's a Bible study kit. No bleed through. Oh my gosh.
Rachel's been going over the pens.
You get me some of those.
Wow, thanks so much, Sophie.
That is so
nice. Oh my gosh. You're too good.
Too good.
Too good.
Thanks. So bright.
Yes, flick that hair. Looking at workout clothes that we both definitely don't need. Rachel, can I have one? Why is the water moving? I'm confused.
It must be a game.
Rachel, can I have a cat for Christmas?
I'm allergic.
Look at this one, he's so cute. I came to Nike like weeks ago and tried on these blue and white runners. It was like a very long time ago, so I'm honestly surprised they still have some left. And they only have a size 7 or a 12. And I'm not either of those. But look how cute they are. Sad. Look at these baby shoes. Are you actually kidding me? I can't wait for someone I know to have a kid so I can spoil them rotten. That's the cutest things ever. Oh. I think you should try them on. Ooh, yes, love these. What do you guys think? I think I might get them. Oh, you look like a skate girl. I love it. You know how it is. I think they do. I actually love shoes so much. If I could just buy sneakers for myself all day, every day, I would. I love them so much. And I have way too many, so I need to chill. But I'm also like telling Rachel that she needs to buy them because I need to get my shopping addiction out through her. I'm thinking of getting these as my soccer boots for next season. What do you think? Sweet! I also feel like soccer boots years ago were so good and now they're all just ugly. I'm so glad that mine have lasted me a few years because I don't like any of the ones out anywhere. We just finished up at shopping. It was an experience. What was the last shop we went to called?
Oh, I have
no idea. It was like a kitchen shop. But the lady was so nice. 10 out of 10.
Great customer service. Didn't bother us at all.
Yeah.
But like made it a great experience still.
We're such introverts, so like someone will come up and talk to us in a shop and we're like, please go away. Like I understand it's your job and like
Negative
I'm sorry, but like no thanks. Now I'm gonna head home. Well, on the way home we're gonna go and get a photo for Rachel and then eat some food because we're both hungry.
Yes!
We have made it to our photo shoot destination. I do believe the Georgia Woodford has taken photos here before, so I'm living my fangirl dreams. Do you think they mind if I use their wheelie bin? Make sure you follow at Make sure you're following at Exposing Rachel Catherine 998 on Instagram. See all the behind the scenes and the photos that just don't make the cut. What's up YouTube? It's a bit later on in the day. I've just been sitting editing because that is my life. And so is Rachel. But Skye is sleeping. So we're gonna go do something. Maybe we should pour water on her.
Do you think that's like too mean?
Oh, she's awake. That grunt is how you know that Skye's awake. Dang it. I'm honestly just really tired.
So am I. I could
go for a nap.
And I don't nap.
Ah.
We were gonna do something to you while you were sleeping.
We were like, Skye, we were gonna do something, and then we were like, ah. I'm like, oh.
You missed
She's
your
awake.
chance.
I know.
Do you want to get donut?
Oh yeah, we should get that.
Yeah, let's go.
We're gonna get some donuts.
Hello. I'm so tired.
You got no
Three.
sleep though.
It's
Tell
like
them about your
three.
night.
Okay. Well, when I woke up at like 2:30 because I started just thinking. And then I just couldn't sleep. So then I went to the gym at like 4:45. And then I just came back home and just lived my life. And then I went Christmas shopping. Oh.
Just a tired gal.
And I went and got a blood test because people keep like getting onto me with my iron deficiency. And it's a whole thing. I'm gonna tell you if I have an iron deficiency tomorrow. So that'll be fun.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, that's about it. So now well, I always get tired at this time anyway, so I always like sleep due to my iron deficiency. So now Krispy Kreme is having a 1 dozen for $12 original glaze. So obviously we're gonna get in that. I hope they still have them because it's like 3.
Our friend Jess is over doing Izzy's makeup because she's so talented and it's just unbelievable. But I have to show you that when we get home because it looks awesome.
Yeah, it looks very, very nice. You have to edit a lot out. Oh,
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm so tired.
Holy moly.
Hi, can I get a box of a dozen and 2 of the snowmen? Yeah, the $12 one, yeah. Thank you.
Yay. Thank you so much. Yay. Yes, 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 yes. I should probably open the door for you instead of vlogging, sorry. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, yeah.
Yes! Oh my god. I see what you mean.
You look like a mermaid. Just watching our favorite bean. Ah! I'm just sitting here trying to edit my vlog. It's just taking me a very long time. This will probably be a reoccurring theme in mini vlogmas. Almost done, but I'm gonna have to get ready for church soon. But I'm just gonna continue eating my donut. I'm all ready for church and this is my outfit. I have on this little top from Cotton On. I have these pants from Shopo and I just have my black low top connies on. I like it. Are you ready? Yeah. Rachel and I just got home from church, but I have been stressing so much about everything that's going on in my life at the moment that I literally gave myself a stress migraine, and it's the first migraine I've ever had, and my head just hurts so much. So I am about to pass out in bed, be dead to the world for a while. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Just see those sleigh bells jingle and ring, jingle, jingle, ring. Ring, 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 ring. I'm on